Welcome. Today we'll look into absolute value inequalities. Yes, something like this. Or something like this. It's simple. This one is easier. So you can just use this type to always solve. If I give you this thing actually means that x is in between minus a and a. That's the meaning. So x is in between minus a and a. Yeah. So if I give you this now to solve for the values of x. If I give you this, it's simple. Solution. What do we do? The first thing is to remove the absolute value. Remove it. This red line, remove it. How do we remove it? It's simple. You just say this thing, x minus 3. With a bracket or parenthesis like this. Less than. Make sure it's less than. Here, minus 5. Here, positive 5. Let's not write positive. It's just positive. With this, you have defined it. Once you can do this, you can solve it. The next thing you do, it's simple. You just solve to make sure you have only s here. Make sure you have only s here. So I have to remove minus 3 from this place to leave only s. How do I do it? I'll add 3. Add 3 all through. When we do that, then it becomes minus 5 plus 3. X is less than x minus 3 plus 3 is less than 5 plus 3. Yeah. So with this, I can say minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 is less than this. This can go. That's it. Very simple. If I get another one to solve for me, let's say solve the value of 3x plus 2 is less or equal to 7. Can you? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. The first thing is to split the inequality into two definitions. That will be 3x plus 2. Yeah, in the middle. Less than. Here is what? 7. How about here? Minus 7. Sam, are you following? Yes. Thank you, Sam. Now, having done this, I know you'll be confused on how to make s stay alone. It's simple. First, you have to remove these 2 from here. How do you remove 2? You subtract. So subtract 2 all through. Subtract 2 all through, that will be minus 7 minus 2 is less than 3x plus 2 minus 2 is less than 7 minus 2. Yeah. So this will be minus 9 is less than 3x. And 3x is less than 5. Yeah. The aim is to make only s to stay alone here. So what do we do next? 3 is attached to s. We have to remove that 3. Yeah. To get only s in the middle. Once we can get only s in the middle, we have solved it. So what do? We'll go ahead and divide all through by 3. That will be here over 3, here over 3, here over 3. We'll now have this over 3 is minus 3. Is less than x, as x is less than 5 over 3. That's our answer. Very simple. Yeah, for less than. For less than. Now the other part goes like this. A mistake. Please don't forget we have here is less or equal to. Also include them all through our inequality. Yeah. Let's look at this. Yeah. Now, solving this, it's simple. We'll have x bigger than a. In this case, here means x is less than minus a. One statement. The other is x is bigger than a. Second statement. You can share this thing like this. Yeah. Most persons prefer the type for less than. But here it's still okay like this. S minus 5, the content of my absolute value is less than minus 10. Or the content of my absolute value, s minus 5, is bigger than 10. I'll solve them individually. Yeah. So here, I will say that x minus 5 going over is less than minus 10 plus 5. Or x is greater than 10 plus 5. Yeah. And this will be x is less than minus 5. Or x is bigger than 15. It's very simple. Very simple. Also, you can solve from the negation. Yeah. Let me show you how that one works. If I give you, okay, this one may be confusing for you. You can solving from negation. This one, they give you this. You can change what was given to you to become yes. From the law of trichotomy, if you are not bigger than 10, the negation of bigger than 10 becomes smaller or equal to 10. Law of trichotomy. So with this, you can go ahead and solve the one you know. The one for less than. That will be minus 10 is less or equal to s minus 5 less or equal to 10. Here, just add 5 to both sides. Add them 5. Add them 5 all through. That will be minus 10 plus 5 is less or equal to x minus 5 plus 5. That's equal to 10 plus 5. and this is equal to minus 5 is less or equal to x. Yeah, less or equal to 15. Now, you negate the answer. You negate the question. When you get the answer, you now negate the answer. Yeah. If you can't negate the answer, you can say all real numbers apart from minus 5 less or equal to x less or equal to 15, provided you are dealing with real numbers. Here can also be your answer. So numbers that are not here are the numbers we have here. Solution to this. Yeah. Solving this, we have x plus 5 minus 6 is less or equal to minus 1. What do we do? First, we clear anything here. How do we do that? We add 6 to both sides. Add 6 to both sides. That will be x plus 5. And if I add 6, this will go out. It's less or equal to minus 1 plus 6. So x plus 5 is less or equal to 5. So I will go ahead and apply my definition for less than for all absolute value, and that will be minus 5 is less than equal to x plus 5. The content of my absolute value then is less than 5. This will be to make s stay alone, I will simply subtract 5 from both sides. So I have minus 5, minus 5 again, is less than equal to x plus 5 minus 5. We are minusing 5 everywhere, in everywhere here, so that we can have x to stay alone. So we have here left 5 minus 5. This will give us minus 10 is less or equal to x less or equal to, please include this, 0. That's the answer. On interval notation, this will be minus 10 down to 0, close. I will show you this notation. It's called interval notation in our next video. Thank you.